Say hello.
Hello.
So,
So what?
what do you want to do?
Nothing.
Do you want to play with that marker?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you want to play with that teddy bear over there on the keychain?
No.
Do you want to play with that little strap thingy on the...
No.
Do you want to...
Tackle Nick.
No, you don't want to tackle Nick. Do you want to... I don't know. Spin the thing that the kid's spinning?
Maybe.
Is that a yes or no?
Maybe.
Is that a yes or a no?
Now.
Okay, then what do you want to do? Alright, get in the chair. I have something to do. It's really fun. Okay, get in the chair. Okay. Alright, ready? Gonna lean back and forth. Leaning.